Hey, this is Tom DeWinter from Washington Car Wash. In today's video, we'll be fixing the Tri-Color foamy brush. Coming up next. Hey, so I had a customer report that the Tri-Foam wasn't working. So let's give it a try and let's take a look at what's wrong. You see the hose is broke up there. We're going to replace that today. Yeah, I think that's broken. Okay, so the poly tube crack right here is connected to the rubber hose. The rubber hose is fine. I'm going to disconnect this by pushing it in and pulling it out. Okay, so I've removed this now. Now I have to take this off right here. It goes up to the ceiling. And I'll meet you on the ceiling.
Is it on?
All right, so we're here up on the roof. All the lines come up here. These are the two red lines coming from the ceiling downstairs in the bay. This is Tri-Foam. It's this wire that needs to be replaced. Again, another compression. We'll take that off and be right back. Push it in and then, yeah, push the gray all the way in and then pull it out. There you go.
You want me to pull this now?
All right, so we're using this red tubing. Half-inch diameter. Got it at Clean Right. There's the product code. All right. All right, so here's the hose. Here's the hose. I'm gonna feed it back through the connection. I fed it through the ceiling. So I'm gonna put this down for a second and connect to that connection. I'm on a ladder, so. All right, so I'm going to cut it to size now. I have a hose cutter. Let's give it some room. I think that should be fine right there. All right, let's button it up. Repair is done. You know, the hose broke about 2 or 3 inches from the little compression valve. And the question is could I reuse this hose and just pull it a little bit tighter? When it comes that brittle, or it snaps in half, these are just too brittle to use. So you're better off replacing the whole thing. If you did put, you know, a little compression thing on both sides, might fix it for a little bit, but ultimately when your red hose is turned white, it's old. So, word of advice.
Alright, we got everything buttoned up. It's all connected up there. Going to pass the foam brush. And foamy brush works, so we're all good.